Today, I'll show you how to make this quick and cheesy potato snack or something you can have for breakfast. Let's get started. Let's cut our potato, small dice. Soak it with water. Let's cut our tomatoes, small dice. I want to drain my potato. Butter. Let it melt. Now let's add our potatoes, black pepper. Let's mix it nicely. Add 1 tablespoon of whole milk. Now that our potatoes are tender, let's add tomatoes. Nicely. Now we can pour our eggs all over our potatoes and tomatoes nicely. Cover all over nicely. Now you see it's drying out and cook. Let's add our cheeses. Now our cheese nicely melted. Just a sprinkle of scallions or green onions. So we hope you like this video, and we appreciate it if you can share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day. Yum, yum, yum.
Mama.
Enjoy your breakfast. Until next time.